Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing and review of my 3 new cubes. First is mirror, twister, and this is the Master Morphix. So I open it one time and try to solve them, and I tried it. But today I'm going to review it one time. So first of all, start with my favorite twisty cube. So it is a what it look like first saw, but it is twist from here. Okay. Yep. So this how it was look like to a normal Tibetan. Size is always same, but the front face of white is bigger than this. But these are some golds, and I don't know, I thought it is centers to true colors in a way. And this is a edge, I saw it. Yes, this is a edge to fill up here. And this is smooth, so I try. And this is a cool cube. I'll give the link on the description of the 3 cubes I buy themselves in one time by adding it from Flipkart, and this quality was very good of the twister cube. Use it once more times. Okay. So it took harder in some way. I do prime. So in here and last, it is much smooth because when I turn this cube in this way, it always moves this layer at a time. Okay, first cubes was going on, and the second one I will try use the Master Morphix. I know how to solve a Master Morphix. I solve it once a time. Oh, sorry, the box goes down. Okay, once time. Okay, the box is coming. I'll take a box in here. So this cube is always smooth. You use this to it rotates something like the and I'll solve it off. I saw my favorite Parity problem. Why I don't know. I love this Parity problem. You saw it. To solve this Parity problem, you do the normal move to solve the look like this. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. Okay. To here, then this look like something R prime D prime R D, and do it time when it's not goes here prime D prime R D. When it does not solve, do it. And sorry, so solve. And I told you that take the middle here and do it with this R D R D R D and R D. Some people ask me why I take this small piece to here to solve it, because it's not the center, it is the corner. Okay, it's so small, so people thought that it is the center, but it is the corner. But this where the edges. Oh no, these are the corner centers. This where the edges, the bigger where the edges, which are something this, and these small pieces which on this side with 2 color. These are centers, and this small was corner with 3 color, and the middle was also the corner. And it is the Master Morphix. Okay, the third and my not most favorite, but some of these rings are harden me because this is the silver. First, this is the silver. it is very cool, but it's stuck sometimes. It's stuck sometimes. So as look like it's stuck here, look like this, and it's not much bad, but it's good. Okay, it's stuck in here. So don't use this magic cube. I thought it was good, but it was not bad. You can use for you are a beginner, because it was not bad. This is also a good product, but it's stuck something that I don't know. So I want to loop this. Okay, and this is my loop. So I take the loop. Oh no. Okay, open it. Loop in here one times. Okay. Here one times. Cool. Oh, yes. And here is more. And I off this. Oh yes, layer is massive. Here is this layer, obviously silicone. So I take it to go. Okay, you saw it. Silicone oil for puzzle cube. Silicone. You will buy it on Flipkart and everywhere. But use the lube which was found in cube below. These are very good, but I don't use the cubes. So the brightness was gone. So I take a paper. I off this lube and something that's. So first of all, look like here. I don't have any clothes, so I take it my finger. Sorry, I got across from there. Okay, stop. Sorry. And this, I don't know what is tail in English, but I know that it's tail as, for the sides, not for here, for the sides. This was called in rumal in our language, Assamese. I live in India. And I move it to other words towards some here of this scholastic. Okay. And the leaf goes here. So take the leaf out. I waited for sometimes to dry. So I scrambled it and solved it to make the leaf in very specious way. Okay. And I solve it once times and it goes soft. So I rub it once more and that's cube. These cubes are so pretty. And I made a beautiful pattern in here. Also, all people know this pattern. The cardboard pattern in these cubes looks so good. So, how I was looking it? Yo. And in here, a dot. So, lastly, yes. Some pieces are come out, some centers are come out, look like this, and some goes under. Oh, under. These are come up, these are come down. And I don't know how to make a pattern in here. but it's a harder cube in all of them. Also, sorry, I saw one parity case in here. In this cube there have not any parity, and this is the parity, so it's called popular problem. It is not most popular cube, and it's cool looking cube, so the problem was very good, not mass, but it is a use that you, if you know F12 in triviality Rubik's cube, then you solve this parity in this time. To solve this parity, you do only one thing: R U R prime U prime. When you do this, just do this: R U2 R prime U, R U2 R prime U, R U2 R prime U. When you do it 3 times and do and back it and line it up, insert it. Hooray! You solve this parity and you get the L class, and you know you make the plus. And if you know advanced cases, advanced ULL, and you do this. Okay, I tried to do it from left angle. I'm a right-hander, but I tried, and I messed up. I don't know. If you know advanced cases, advanced ULL, you just make it up and solve this. I hit enter. Okay, try it. And palm are very slow. And this, it was solved. And this is for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please do it.